Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, we will discuss an easy way for iOS 16 iCloud lock bypass. A powerful tool named iSunshare iBypass Genius is used here. First of all, connect your iPhone to the PC. And make sure iTunes is installed on your computer. Then you can go to iSunshare.com and download iBypass Genius. After downloading, install it on your computer. Okay, now open iBypass Genius. Choose Bypass ID to proceed. Read the warning items. Click the Start button to go ahead. The Create FAQs option is checked by default. You can choose this option after reading this note. Follow the steps to put the iPhone into DFU mode. Wait for a while and repeat the operation. Soon, the software starts bypassing the activation lock. Congratulations! The iCloud lock is bypassed and you can set up the iPhone with your Apple ID. That's all. Thanks for watching and we will see you guys in the next video.